So we will discuss about commutation of sentence. So petition of executive clemency may be reviewed only if the petitioner meets the following minimum requirements. So for commutation of sentence, the inmates should have at least one-third of the indefinite aggregate minimum of the indeterminate prison term. So, letter A, at least one half of the minimum of the indeterminate prison term or aggregate minimum of the indeterminate prison term. So, meaning to say, the prisoner should serve at least one half or katunga sa iyang prison term before the board may review the petition of the prisoner for commutation of sentence. So, letter B, at least 10 years for inmates sentenced to one lifetime imprisonment or crimes offenses not under Republic Act number 7659 and other special laws. So what are the crimes or offenses that is under Republic Act number 7659? So these crimes are treason, piracy, parricide, murder, infanticide. So these are the crimes that are punishable by reclusion perpetua. So if ever ang isa ka um, inmate is not committed crime under this, so he or she should at least serve at least 10 years before siya makapetition for commutation of sentence. So letter C, at least 13 years for inmates whose indeterminate and or definite prison terms were adjusted to a definite prison term of 40 years in accordance with the provisions of Article 70 of the Revised Penal Code as amended. So what is Article 70. So Article 70 states that if a multiple penalties could not be served simultaneously, it will be adjusted to 40 years. So the best example is if an individual is nakakommit siya og tulo ka crime. And so ang sa tulo ka crime na ilahi nga sentence. So halimbawa ang isa ka crime is mag-serve siya 40 years, ang isa kay mag-serve siya 20 years, ang isa pod mag-serve siya 20 years. So dili siya pwede nga i-add ang tulo. Um, So, tungkol sa Article 70, i-adjust lang siya of 40 years. So, inmates who are sentenced for 40 years in prison should at least serve 13 years before siya makapetition for commutation of sentence. So, letter D, at least 15 years of inmates convicted of heinous crimes, offenses as defined in Republic Act 7659 or other special laws, committed on or before January 1, 1994, or sentenced to one reclusion perpetua or one life imprisonment. So ganina 'di ba tong paragraph B tong wala na commit of crimes under 7659. Pero diri is um individuals who are commit crimes under Republic Act 7659. So, muli ko na ko ang crimes under Article Republic Act 7659 are treason, piracy, parricide, murder, infanticide, and such. So, if ever ang isa ka individual is nakakommit siya og crime under this, so he or she should serve at least 15 years before siya makapetition for commutation of sentence. And letter E, at least 18 years for inmates convicted and sentenced to reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment for violation of RA 9165 and for kidnapping for ransom or violation of the laws on terrorism, plunder, and transnational crimes, and at least 20 years for inmates sentenced to two or more reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment, even if their sentence were adjusted to a prison term of 40 years in accordance with the provision of Article 70 of the Revised Penal Code as amended. So, this paragraph, so there is a letter inom na siya duha ka buok. First one is if ever ang isa ka person is na, senten- na, sen- na siya sentence na life imprisonment, so he or she should serve at least 18 years before siya makapetition for commutation of sentence. And on the other hand, if ever ang isa ka individual is na sentensyahan siya og 2 or more reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment, even if na-adjust na siya to 40 years in accordance with the Article 70, he or she should serve at least 20 years before siya makapetition for commutation of sentence. And letter F, and last, at least 25 years for inmates originally sentenced to death penalty, but which was automatically reduced or commuted to reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment. So, there um, For those person na nasentensyahan og death penalty, it was automatically reduced or commuted to reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment. So, for those inmates nga nagaserve og reclusion perpetua or life imprisonment, they are obliged to serve at least 25 years before sila maka a petition for commutation of sentence. That's all. Thank you.